In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook Marketplace listing location 2026. If your marketplace results or buyer reach don't match the area you want, updating your location is the quickest fix. This tells Facebook which city or zip code to use for what you see in Marketplace and helps align your listings with the right audience nearby. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com/marketplace. Make sure you're signed in to your Facebook account so the changes save to your profile. The Marketplace home screen will load with categories, filters, and nearby listings. Next, look for your current location on the page. You'll usually find it in the left-hand sidebar or sometimes at the top of the feed, displayed as a city name in blue. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to finish loading, or scroll slightly to bring the filters into view. That blue city label is what you'll update. Click the blue location name to open the Change Location window. This window is where you control the geographic area Marketplace uses for browsing and visibility. It's straightforward and you can safely close it if you open it by mistake. Nothing changes until you confirm. In the location field, type the city or the zip code you want to use. Typing a zip can be more precise, especially in areas where multiple towns share similar names. As you type, Facebook will show suggestions. Choose the correct one to avoid accidentally selecting a different region with the same name. When you're confident the location is correct, click Apply. After you click Apply, the Marketplace feed will refresh automatically. Take a moment to confirm that the new city or zip now appears where the old one was displayed. Your results should shift to reflect the new area. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh the page once, then check again. Also, be aware that if you switch locations frequently, Facebook may occasionally prompt you to confirm changes for accuracy. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use a zip code when you need pinpoint accuracy, like targeting a specific neighborhood. If your results look off, double check that you selected the right suggestion from the drop-down. And remember, updating this location helps match your marketplace browsing and listing reach to the area you actually want to cover. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Update your location, click Apply, and you're ready to browse and sell in the right place.